Abone isidingo sokuthi amalungelo okuphila, ilungelo lokuphila lingaphezulu kokuthi unemali engakanani. Asikushaya ehlombe lokho. For a president Cyril Ramaphosa to look beyond ukuthi South Africa, how much does it suffering in terms of economy and any other issue, but to understand the health issues ngoba umuntu uyophila ngoba ephila. Kodwa after i-COVID-19, after ama-disaster, after ingculaza, to have a national health insurance bill being signed by the president, that is noble. It deserves the round of applause. Irregardless, ningambuka ebusweni, bukani senza senzile ngoba